Bluetooth enables low-bandwidth wireless connections within a range of 10 meters or 32 feet. The best performance is in the range of 1 to 2 meters or 3 to 6 feet. You can pair and connect the Bluetooth-enabled mobile phone with your CP930W or CP935W phone. After connecting, you can make and receive mobile calls on the phone, use the phone as a Bluetooth speaker for your mobile phone to play music, and merge the calls on your phone, PC, and the connected mobile phone into a hybrid UC conference. Before you begin, make sure you have activated the Bluetooth mode on your device and made it discoverable. To pair your phone with a Bluetooth device, tap on the Bluetooth icon located on the home screen. Then select the toggle to turn the feature on. The phone will immediately search for nearby devices to pair with. Select the device from the list. Depending on the device chosen, you may be prompted to accept a pairing request from the phone. The paired device will display in the Bluetooth list and show a connected status. Tap on the device to configure various settings or unpair.